Welcome to Apex Lab Engine. Today, we take you inside a modern chocolate factory, where raw ingredients are transformed into the chocolate bars and treats we all love. From cocoa beans to finished products, every step combines precision, speed, and artistry. The chocolate you enjoy starts its journey long before it reaches your hands, and inside these factories, every machine, conveyor belt, and process is carefully designed to create perfection. It all begins with the cocoa beans. Only the finest beans are selected from farms around the world. Each batch is carefully inspected to remove any imperfections. Once chosen, the beans are roasted at precise temperatures, releasing rich aromas that fill the factory. The smell alone hints at the chocolate to come, and the sound of the roasting machines adds to the mesmerizing atmosphere. After roasting, the beans are ground into a thick, smooth cocoa paste. This stage is essential, forming the foundation of all chocolate products. Industrial grinders slowly transform the rough beans into glossy, silky chocolate, while sensors and machines monitor consistency to ensure the perfect texture and flavor. Watching this transformation is fascinating, raw ingredients gradually becoming something universally loved. Next, the chocolate is blended with sugar, milk, and other ingredients in enormous mixing tanks. The chocolate flows like liquid gold. Machines carefully control temperature, viscosity, and timing, making sure every batch is smooth and rich. This process may take hours, but it is crucial to achieving the perfect taste and texture. After blending, the chocolate goes through conching, where it is kneaded, aerated, and refined. Conching smooths the chocolate, develops flavor, and removes any bitterness. Watching it glide through the rollers is hypnotic, a beautiful combination of engineering and craftsmanship. Once the chocolate is ready, it is poured into molds to form bars, truffles, and other treats. Automated assembly lines fill each mold with precision, while workers monitor quality and consistency. The chocolate flows effortlessly into molds, moves along the lines, and begins to solidify, a mesmerizing display of speed and accuracy. The molded chocolate then enters cooling tunnels, solidifying at the perfect temperature. Some products are coated with nuts, chocolate layers, or decorative finishes. Each bar emerges smooth, shiny, and flawless. Before leaving the factory, every product undergoes strict quality control. Machines scan for shape, size, and weight, while workers perform inspections and taste tests to guarantee perfection. Finally, the chocolate is wrapped, boxed, and stacked on pallets, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. Modern chocolate factories are incredible examples of how automation and human skill work together. From the careful selection of cocoa beans to the final packaged treat, every step demonstrates precision, planning, and attention to detail. Next time you enjoy a chocolate bar, remember the journey it took. From grinding and mixing to molding and packaging, a process that combines engineering, automation, and artistry. If you enjoyed this inside look at chocolate production, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Apex Lab Engine for more factory tours, automation secrets, and mesmerizing production videos.